Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this quick video, I'm going to show you what to do if developer options is missing from your Amazon Firestick or Fire TV device. Now, I am using the brand new second generation Fire TV Stick 4K Max, so the settings and process may look a little different than the Fire Stick or Fire TV device that you are using, but the process should be very similar. So guys, what I mean by this is if you hover over the settings icon, you scroll down and you click My Fire TV, what you will see here is I have developer options. Now, the point of this video is you will not see developer options here if you are looking for it. Now, if you're asking, well, how do I get developer options if you don't have it? So to get developer options, what you need to do is click About. Once you click About, you need to click Fire TV Stick 4K Max or whatever this says here for the device that you are using about 7 times, and you'll see a message below that states no need, you are already a developer. Once you see that message and click the back button on your remote, you should see developer options show up under My Fire TV. Once you click that, you have an option to enable ADB debugging, and you can also allow for the installation of unknown apps. You'll see I do not have anything installed that would allow me to do that, but if I had the downloader app, for instance, you would click in here and you could allow unknown apps using the downloader app. So that's it, guys. Just a super quick video. If you do not have developer options or developer options is missing from your Fire Stick, that is how you get it back, is by clicking this here about 7 times until you have developer access. So again, guys, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. Appreciate you watching this video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe to my channel. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. And guys, I look forward to creating more content like this in the near future, and I hope you all have a great day.